Hello guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm going to do a quick video for S14, completing a table and graphing an equation, graphing a linear function. All right, so I'm using Zoom call because I need to record my calculator, and my calculator is on my computer, so I'm going to use this. All right, so first thing, I'm going to go to the actual IXL assignment. So what you see here is S14. All right, so they've given us a table and they want us to fill this table out. So they've given us inputs, 6, 7, and 8 for inputs, and they want us to put it into this function and come up with the outputs. Now, the easiest way to do this is to use your graphing calculator. Go to the functions, enter this function, and go to the table and see what the corresponding values are. So we need the outputs for 6, 7, and 8. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go and I'm going to use my calculator. So I am going to do this, and I'm going to put in a negative 4x plus 33, and then I press enter. Actually, I want to press enter. And then that's the graph. I don't really care what the graph looks like. I want the table. So I go to menu, I go to table, and I want for the input 6, 7, and 8. So here is 6, 7, and 8. So when the input is 6, the output is 9. When the input is 7, 5. So 9, 5, and 1 is what I need to enter. So I'm going to go back to the IXL, and I'm going to put 9, 5, 9, 5, and 1. Now, the table is complete. Now, I need to take two of these points and plot them. So I'm going to take 6, 9, which is going to be right here. And then I'm going to do 7, 5. So I'm going to go 7, 5, which is right here. And that is what I need to do. Once I've got that, I submit it. And it says, okay, that's fine. So you just take the function and you go and graph it. Look at the table, get the outputs that you need, fill the table in, and then take two of those points from the table, plot it on the graph, and submit it. That's all you're doing. I'm going to do one more. All right, this is a negative 3x plus 21. So negative 3x plus 21. I'm going to write that down. All right, so I'm going to go back to the calculator right here. I'm going to get rid of the table because I don't need it anymore. Get rid of the table. I'm going to enter a new function, so I'm going to delete all of this stuff. So it's going to be a negative 3x plus 21. All right, press enter. Now that's what it looks like. Don't really care what it looks like. I am going to go to the menu. I'm going to use the table. And there's my table. Now, what did I need? I didn't write down the inputs that they gave us. So the inputs that they gave us are 5, 6, and 10. So I need to get those outputs for those corresponding inputs. So let me go back to the calculator. Where are you? I am right here. All right, so 5, 6, and 10. 5 is 6, 6 is 3, and 10 is a negative 9. So let me write that down because I don't want to rely on my faulty memory. So 5 is 6, 5, 6. Just keep going down. 6, 3, and 10. I think it's 10 and negative 9. All right, so now I'm going to go back to IXL. I'm going to complete the table. 5 is 6. 6 is 3. 10 is a negative 9. I got my points. Now I'm just going to plot two of these points. So I'm going to do 5, 6. So that'll be 5 up 6 right here. And then I'm going to do 6, 3, which is going to be right here. And then I'm going to submit it. And it says, well done. That's all you're doing. Take the function, put it into the graphing calculator, look at the table, get your outputs, fill in your table, take 2 points from the table, and plot them and submit. All right, guys. I hope this has helped. Let me stop the share. All right. I hope this helps.